Hey guys, what's up? It's Javier Garcia, your local roofer. We finished removing the roof. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Dun dun dun. I changed all the bad sheeting on it as well. We're ready for inspection. I got my supply coming any minute now. I got inspection tomorrow morning, and I'll show you what, before I start installing the roof with my supplies on the roof, what it looks like and what it should look like when you get your roof done. If you want me to stop by and check out your roof, I'm more than happy to. All you have to do is give me a call or click on the link below. Let me show you one more time. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Stay dry.